Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, I'm Side Hustle Keisha. And you know, on this channel, I do videos and tips on ways for you to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. So this may be full of part-time opportunities or side hustles you can work after work or on the weekend. So stay connected. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you punch the notification button. So every time I upload a video, you are in the know on all the opportunities that I come across. I want to share them with you. Make sure you guys are also following me on Instagram. That way you are staying connected as well. If I don't share an opportunity that is your skill set, maybe you have a friend or family member who's looking for something, maybe that'll work for them as well. So let's just jump right into this opportunity. Listen, there is an opportunity for there's a job, a work from home job for patient service representatives, and they have hundreds of positions. Okay, so it's all over. Let me just share with you. They will train some of the best professionals that they can find. They also employ the best. Okay, so they're focusing on centralizing appointment scheduling departments. They need people to help with centralizing appointment scheduling departments, and also automated reminder calls, patient access consulting, and discharge follow-up calls. So this is a position for a patient service representative. Okay, so again, they have hundreds of open positions in multiple states, and I'll go over that in the end and tell you how to apply. They have a competitive, generous salary. Looks like about $13 to $14 an hour. The position is also open to bilingual Spanish, bilingual Cantonese, and Mandarin. Okay, if you've had experience working in the medical field or medical-oriented field, this might be a fit for you. Okay. They're currently seeking full-time patient service representatives that work from home. Patient service representatives communicate with patients via phone, accurately and timely schedule appointments based on provided protocols, pre-registered patients, and verify insurance. This fast-paced position requires about 2-year minimum of working medical knowledge, experience in electronic health record systems, and they have those health systems listed as EMR and EHR. EMR and EHR, and basic insurance guidelines. So the representative may provide medical scheduling and must be a quick learner with the ability to multitask, who speak and communicate clearly. Representatives can expect to handle about 100 plus calls back to back per shift. So it's a full-time position with competitive pay and opportunities for growth. 401k, a 50% match up to 6%. They have Anthem, Blue Cross, medical benefits, and an FSA account. So they have a spending account, so you could put money in the account to put aside for any expenses that you have for the year in reference to your health. So if you don't want to pay for your prescriptions out of your pocket, you can put some money to the side on this account at the beginning. You can allocate money at the beginning of the year and use that as you go to the doctor, get your prescriptions, and pay for your co-pays, right? So PTO time, 5 paid holidays per year, time and a half for holidays work, overtime opportunities. So they're ready to hire you guys. To become a patient service representative, the following requirements upon hire. You have to have a desktop with an 18-inch monitor or bigger. Laptops are not acceptable. Operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. Processor CPU Intel Core i5 series. I'll list those. That'll be in the description as well, so that way you can see if your computer matches that. So there are some computer requirements. They don't want any phone calls. I'm going to show you how to apply. So the company is called American Health Connection. So all you would do is go here, type in the keyword. The keyword is patient, and you're going to hit search for jobs. When you hit search for jobs, 4 opportunities are going to come up. So they have, like we said, this position is also for bilingual. So if you're bilingual Chinese, bilingual Spanish, or I think it was Mandarin, you would apply to the one if you're bilingual. If not, the patient service representative position is right here. It's nationwide. Let me just remind you what states that they're hiring for, but we'll go here and we'll read through the basic one. Okay, so I've already went through the descriptions and what the company offers. I'll give you the list of states that they are hiring for, so that you have that. And if you're in that state, and this is rare because California is a lot of times excluded. California is on here, Washington, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Mississippi. These are the 4 states, and they need hundreds of representatives. So if you are in one of these 5 states, this is a great opportunity for a full-time job from home with benefits, 401k. $13 to $14 an hour is what we're showing as somewhere around the pay range, and it's from home. It's from the comfort of your home, you guys. So if you have someone who qualifies for this position, or you think that would be a perfect match, send this video over to them. Drop a comment below. Let us know if you get an interview. If you get the job, we want to celebrate with you. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification. I'll be back for another work from home opportunity or a cool side hustle that you can do after work or on the weekend, okay? Or even from home. You guys have a great week. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.